Let's go, let's go. Already getting overtaken. Dude, first guy had a really bad start. The guy's ghosting, exceeding track limits. I don't think so. But we are 5th. We gained 2 places at the start. That's great. Ooh, sliding. Exceeding track limits. Already 2 warnings. Which is not what we want.
We anticipate an end to this rain in around 5 minutes. Inters seem to be the fastest tyre for now.
So we also have to look for when to change compounds. It's also a thing, and we can't double stack with my teammates. The top 4 is really close to each other. So if something happens, high chance of something happening. The second guy and the third, they are right on each other's tail. But now the gap is...
Okay, we've been given a time penalty. It will go against our finishing time at the end of the race. Get your head down and let's get it done.
That's important. That's unfortunate. Hard? No, that's too early. Yeah, go for hard. Maybe get to... And also I won't be in the way of my teammates. But P6 after the hit is okay. We are also taking the guy's position.
Good job, that was the fastest lap of the race so far.
To defend.
Okay, caution, caution.
Ooh.
Virtual safety car is out.
Virtual
Reduce
safety
speed
car.
and maintain a positive delta on your dash.
Ooh. Don't crashed.
Virtual safety car is ending. Maintain your pace until we get the green flags. VSC ending. Wait for the greens.
No! No!
Drive-through
Really?
penalty. You've got a drive-through penalty.
With a guy 1 or 2 won the last race, so he's really gonna try to overtake me. And he doesn't have no penalty, so ooh, got a little grass there. He's gonna try to overtake. And we'll fight him. Yeah, that gives P5 to Adam for the best lap. Nice for him. Now we have to fight the Williams, which is, he's not gonna make it easy for me.
Okay, gap to the car in front, 5.0 seconds.
5.0 seconds. Guy's gonna try to get me here. This is really close again. And he's on the medium compound. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Oh. Ooh, really close. Hope we don't get damage from a fight with this fine general. Ooh,
Okay, we've got
retired.
a full course caution. The safety car's
Full
out.
course
Keep an eye on the
caution.
delta.
We
We need to
can't.
keep it positive to avoid a penalty.
Yeah.
Slow down,
what
maintain
do we do?
positive delta.
With 13 laps remaining, we are pitting.
Just so you know, we're getting some strange readings from a couple of the sensors. I don't think you need to be worried, just some bad data. So keep doing what you're doing. I'll let you know if we notice any genuine problems.
That was close. That was close. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still there. I'm here. I'm here. Completely ruined that corner. Ooh, someone's off. Is it McLaren? Is it McLaren? Yeah, it's the McLaren. That might have a great, yeah. That was never gonna happen. And he is 16-second penalty. That missing braking point. They are really close right now. What happened? Oh, Rick. He went off. They,
So
Rick
your
and Red
ERS is
pushed.
running a bit low. Look into changing your ERS mode in the MFD for a more conservative burn rate.
So now
Or you
we
might want to
gained
try
a
some lifting or
position.
gentle braking to recharge.
But we can get close. Let's try to get red. Let's try to get him. Adam is in P4, just missing out on the podium. Sucks for him. Sucks for the team. Going for the other side. Oh! Why did he go? Why did he try to do
Come
that?
on, you can win that place back.
What was his logic? Oh! go. Oh! Oh! Let's go! Wow. He just took the guy alongside of me out. And now we are in P6 with our teammate ahead of us with a penalty. And Rick, he gained a lot of places. Hopefully. Nah, I don't think he will. But maybe I can pass him, our teammates. Oh, really close. Please let me. Yeah. Don't make it too difficult for me. Please. Thanks. Yeah. Legend. P5. It's the place we started. No, P4, because the guy has a 16-second penalty. But we're close with Red Bull. I think he will try to get me. Yeah, I'm gonna challenge him. Just a few laps remaining. Adam has a 9-second penalty. Oh, he went off.
Green flag, we're racing again, let's go.
Still 5th.
Come on! Now, we can fight.
A 1-2 for RB. 4th place, let's go. Let's go.